Hey everybody, so this is going to be part 2 of the painting on the frame for the 2005 Ford Excursion. So please stick around, check out the video. Part 2 is going to have the actual painting past the primer. We're going to actually put the colors and everything that we need on it. So please stick around and check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is part 2. I don't think we're going to get to this today because I did give it the 24 hours, but I'd prefer to give it a little longer because of the fact that it got really cold in Arizona yesterday. It got actually extremely cold. Somewhere around the 20 or low 20s. So this primer could be somewhat wet still. It's not wet to the touch, but the moisture in the air could have caused it to get a little bit wet. I did accidentally spray this hose, which is not really a big deal because that hose, I already have the replacement for it. And I did spray this bracket by accident, but you know, and I got the bushing. I think it'll be okay. It's an item that usually doesn't swing. That's just the oh, I don't remember what the heck it's called at the moment. I'll remember it later. Because here's the tie rods, and you know, I'll remember it later on. But so I think all we're gonna be spraying is the shock brackets, which I have those inside, and those actually should be able to be sprayed today because of the fact I brought them in after they were partially dry. They have 2 coats of primer. I'm gonna clean up bushing mount, and then we'll get to painting these. So I'll bring you back in a minute or so when I get everything prepped and put outside, and I'll paint them. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Alright everybody, so I have my respirator. We're going to be painting just the shock brackets for now, which is Krylon gloss burgundy. So it's just going to be these. That broke pretty fast. Kind of coming out like a pink. And this is my driveway, so I don't care if there's paint on the ground. we're gonna let that one sit. I do like the color. I'm gonna move you over here. We'll do the other one. It sprays on like light in a pink color, and you have to keep coating it. Kind of like a fuchsia. And I'll use acetone and I'll clean this where the bushing for the shock goes. Just let it dry. Alright. I'll bring you guys back when I need to do another coat, and then we'll flip it when that coat's dry. That's what it looks like up close. Alright everybody, so we're back. So it's mostly dry, it's the second coat. So I'm going to move these. The back is already primed. Let's see if we can use this stand right here that I made. Oh, it's getting scuffed up. Crap. It'll have to do right there. I'll have to fix the other side again, but it's the best I can do. So, get that angled down a little bit. Yeah. Okay, that works. And I'll clean the mounts for the shocks after it's all dry. Rock. There's a couple of them on this side too. Could have swore I got all the dang rocks. They're not going to be perfect, but there. We'll let it dry and I'll bring you guys back. I don't think I'll have to do any more coats on the top side, but other than that, other than this spot right here that I messed up on the front. Everybody, so I sprayed them one last time. There's a couple blemishes where I left it upside down on the box and the box indented the enamel paint. I resprayed it. It's not going to be perfect, but it's just a shock bracket. The burgundy came out nice, but with the amount of coats that I put on, this is a third coat. It looks more like cranberry. So I like it. It came out nice. We're gonna do probably I think this was part 2. And I'll put it in the video description. If it's part 3, I'm wrong, but we'll be doing another part to actually painting the frame black. So that will probably be part 3 if this is part 2. If this is part 3, then it's going to be part 4. I'll figure it out when I edit the video. I appreciate your guys' time. I'm going to let this dry the rest of the way, or the best I can before it gets dark and cold. And I'll move them inside. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I de-rusted this section the best I could at the moment. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.